So William, when was it that you realized you couldn't grow Brussels?
Well, that would have been the first time that I tried to grow them.
And what happened?
Well, they didn't grow.
They didn't grow?
Yeah, that's right, they didn't grow.
And why didn't they grow?
I don't know. That's probably why they failed for a second time.
They failed a second time?
Yes, they failed a second time.
And when was that?
The time after they failed for the first time. That was 5 years ago.
5 years ago?
Yes. Are you bloody deaf or something?
Sorry, William. So after all of that, you're still willing to give them another go?
Oh yeah.
Do you think you could ever quit trying to grow Brussels sprouts?
Look, if I wanted to quit, I'd just quit. It's not like it's an addiction or anything. If I want to stop, I'll stop. I'm not dependent. I just don't want to right now.
Thank you for being honest, William. I know this was hard, but wish you the best of luck.
Now this year, more than any other year, I've got to get this right. And I've decided I'm going to do everything by the book, including the sowing. And the book I've decided to use is an internet page that I found by a bloke called Fred. Now Fred knows all about growing Brussels. He's been growing them for 2 years now. And apparently he likes his very well boiled and very soft. I'm not sure why. The type that I'm going to attempt to grow are called Long Island Improved, and that means they're a lot like the regular Long Island ones, only a bit better. They're a pelleted seed from the Mackenzie Seed Company's So Easy range. Well, I figure I'm going to need about 6 plants, so if I get a small module tray going, say of around 72 cells, that might be enough. And if anything goes wrong, there's still lots of time to sow some more. Now the good thing about these pelleted type seeds is you really can't get it wrong. Just one seed per module. Just one seed per module, and it's dead easy. I'm using a homemade compost of 50% Sunshine Mix No. 1 and 50% Sphagnum peat moss. Then I'm just going to cover them over with a thin layer of compost, and then of course I'm going to put the tag in. That should impress the judges. And the last thing I'm going to do is place them on a heat mat inside the greenhouse until they germinate.
So how do you think it went?
Well, I think it went pretty well. I forgot to mention about the watering, and that might lose me a few points, but that's okay. A lot of time to catch up. I know that Adam's already said that he's going to dock me a couple of points for taking the mickey out of him.
And Dan?
Dan's in cahoots with Ryan, everybody knows that. But I'll give him a nod anyway.
No, 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 William, no, 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 no. Does this look like a happy face or a happy haircut? Well, it's not after seeing that little video. Your seed sowing technique is amateurish at best, and I'm deducting 2 points for offensive tags in that tray of Brussels sprout seeds.
So Mr. William, I'm really digging the way that you are planning your Brussels out. Love the variety that you are planning to plant. And I also like the fact that you, I believe it was 72 cells that you were just gonna get after it, just to ensure germination. I'm really good with that. Your sowing technique is sound, sir, I must say.
I feel like I need to step in at this early stage and show you just how easy it is for a professional like myself to grow a Brussels sprout. Here we have a tray, compost, a Brussels sprout seed. Do you see it there? Do you see it? All we do now is drop it into the tray. And there you have it, a Brussels sprout. instantly. And you know what? I didn't even use Brussels sprout seeds. I used sweet pea seeds. That's how easy it is for a professional like myself to grow a Brussels sprout. And you used Long Island improved. Naive, my son, very naive.
So how did Adam's review go?
Good. I thought it was going to be a lot harder on me. I think this is Adam's way of giving me a big thumbs up. Maybe not.
Mr. William, I'm liking it. I don't know what's going on with old Ryan, but thus far, Dan over at the Home in the Sticks is going to have to give you a thumbs up, sir.
Hey, Dan is the man!
Oh, and by the way, Mr. William, I believe I'll give you a nod back. The one thing, and I'm not gigging anybody on anything right now, but the one thing that I would have liked to have seen was, where's your beer, sir?